Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and today I'd like to share with you how we can add additional internal memory to Scanmarker Pro. Scanmarker Pro comes with 1 GB of internal memory, which would allow you to store a tremendous amount of words on the device. But in addition, we have students who are using this to record lectures, and if you need additional memory, you can purchase a MicroSD card such as this. This is a 32 GB card. These are fairly inexpensive, and then you could basically put this into the space provided. So there's the slot on the side, and I'm just going to orient it like this, and then I'm going to push it in. You can see that I put it in the slot. Now with that, this would allow me to record and have additional storage for someone that was using this to record audio lectures. So I hope you found that helpful. Again, this was a demonstration of me installing a micro SD card onto Scanmarker Pro. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.